We are going to be unboxing the 3-compartment nesting box we bought for our chickens. We'll show you how we put it together and the finished product at the end. In total, this took us about 30 minutes to put together. It is well built, it's heavy duty. I'm sure this will last and our chickens are going to love it. This also can accommodate up to 15 chickens as well. And the tools we used for the whole project is this little screwdriver and then this little wrench. And there are 3 holes in the back, so you can hang it up or leave it on the ground. All right, we're all finished. Let's test this out. Ta-da!